Sis, okay? Nobody told me that Organique was going to look like this all up in my hair. Okay, sis, I'm looking real natural. Like, this just came up out my scalp. Like, please, y'all. And it moves. And it moves. Okay? Don't play with your girl. Do not play with your girl.
Hey guys, I'm back with a hair tutorial. Starting off with my braid pattern. It's nothing special, nothing spectacular. I just went ahead and did the front ones toward the sides, and I did two in the back. They're big, as you can see, and I did tie some rubber bands at the end. So what I'm going to do is actually tuck my hair upwards into my stocking cap or into my wig cap, however you want to call it, or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, and that's it as far as me putting them and laying my foundation. I also went ahead and braided my edges down, as you can see, and I'm putting the wig cap behind that part just so I can see where I want it to stop. And it's okay if you cover your leave out because you're going to end up cutting that off once you lay the tracks. And you'll see what I'm saying once we get to that part. And just for me, I put another wig cap on just to kind of protect my hair a little bit. And I don't know, it just adds another layer of security for me. This step is optional, and I see a lot of people do different things to lay their foundation. Sis, do what's best for you, okay? Okay, so this is the part that I've been waiting for. This is the hair that I got from the beauty supply store. As you can see, it is Organique or organic. It was only $21.99. Okay, let me say it one more time. $21.99. Yes, and as you know, if I'm getting it from the beauty supply store and it's $21.99, sis, it's not human hair. It may be mixed with something, but it ain't real human hair. And this actually isn't human hair at all. It is fibers. Some type of stuff that they done put together, concocted, and made it feel and look like real hair. I ain't complaining because it did the job. It did what I needed it to do, and it looked exactly how I needed it to look. So if you balling on a budget like I am, then you're going to go ahead and cop you some Organique, because that's what I want to call it. You're going to cop you some Organique, sis, okay? And as you all saw on a previous tag, this is a body wave. And the color was a tea something. I can't even really remember. I threw the packaging away. But it did the job. It blended really well with my hair. And on this part, I'm actually going to spray the Got2b glue just to seal in, or, you know, when I put the glue on my weave, that it kind of sticks a little bit better. Now, this is the easy part to me. It gets super repetitive. All you do is measure your weave, as I'm doing right now. You're going to measure it from where you want it to start and where you want it to stop. You're going to cut it once you get those exact measurements, like, you know, how you want to lay it, sis. Then you're going to put the glue on it, put it on your wig cap, make sure that it's on there as tight or, you know, as sticky as it can get. I like to seal mine with a blow dryer just a little bit, not too much. Sometimes I'll put it on heat, sometimes I'll put it on cool. It just depends on how I'm feeling. And then I just do it all over again. It's simple, sis. It's simple. Anybody can do this. So as you can see, we've just blow dried and I'm just showing you all, what it should look like. Now I've gotten to the middle portion of my hair and I'm just showing you all, how I don't actually pull through my hair too much because the glue is still a little bit wet, so you don't want to pull on it. You just want to rake through it a little bit, getting the excess hair out. And then once we get to the top, well, we're here now. So that went pretty fast. But I'm just going to show you all how I'm blow drying it just a little bit, making sure that everything is laid and stuck down as much as possible. And then I'm going to actually cut open the leave out portion. So right here, I go ahead and cut off the extra or excess wig cap. And I'm making these faces, y'all, because when I glued the hair down, it made the wig cap fit super, super tight. And so me trying to pull it up, it was just really giving me a headache. And so I was also, too, trying to make sure that I don't cut my hair because I ain't trying to have no bald spots with my leave out. Like, that's not cute. And now that all of that is done, okay, we're just going to go ahead and use the rest of the tracks that we have and place them in parts so that it kind of makes it fuller. Although my leave out will be out, I just want to make it a little bit fuller. I want it to look way more natural and to frame my face a little bit more. And now to the fun part, styling. Yes, style your hair how you want it. Well, I particularly wanted a bob. And let me tell you what, I have not really used a razor to cut a bob. And so I saw it on YouTube and I thought, hey, why not? These females is doing it. Let me try it. It was so hard. I really think you need to go to school for stuff like that because it wasn't coming out the way that I wanted it to. So I X-nayed on the razor and I started using scissors because that's what I'm used to. And I started cutting away. Now, I don't know if anybody else has this problem, but I always have this problem when I try to cut in bobs. One side is always shorter than the other. And when I look at it in the mirror from the front way, it always looks like, okay, it's the same length. And then I turn around and sis, it's asymmetrical and I was really trying to go full blunt. So I had to really take my time and cut. And this was off camera, but my 7-year-old daughter actually framed the back and she helped me get all of that together. So shout out to Aubrey. Thanks, boo. And finally, with doing all of this major work, sis, we are going to flat iron our leave out. And we have to make sure that we blend it for the gods because no one likes a still leave out. Nobody. No, we're not walking to nobody's McDonald's, 7-Eleven looking like who done it and why. So we're going to flat iron it, blend it, make it look amazing, and slay. Yes, I had to show you all how reversible the edges look, okay? I can pull it back if I wanted to, But it's really more so for the baby hairs. I lied to y'all not. But I'm going to go ahead and take the top part out. I'm going to actually flat iron that and also put 2 pieces of weave on each side just to frame my face more and make it look a little fuller. And I don't know if you all can tell, but yes, bumped the camera, everything, and I was jamming. But I don't know if you all can tell, but how you can kind of determine if you need more pieces is if your leave out is looking like how my leave out is looking. Like it's kind of looking skimp. It's not looking as though I can blend it. Like you're going to be able to tell like, oh, that's her real hair. Oh, that's weave. So in order for me to do a little fake me out, you know what I'm saying? Like just add a little, you ain't even gonna need that much, but look at the transformation, sis. Look at the transformation, sis. You can't tell me nothing. I did that and more. And this brings this video to a close. I'm gonna have some remarks at the end, but look, under $25, under 3 hours, sis, this is how you slay. Okay, it doesn't cost to be a boss. Well, at least that much.
Okay. And this is how you slay a quick weave. I didn't even do my edges yet, but I am loving the results. I hope that you all love the video. And I hope you like, comment, subscribe, like I always say you ought to do. Turn on your post notifications. I promise y'all, I'm not coming with like video after video after video too. I got some vital stuff on here, and I need y'all to support the girl. But y'all can't tell me nothing, okay? You cannot tell me nothing. I'm feeling real beautiful, real pretty, everything. See y'all in my next video.